This video shows how to copy multiple data in bulk. For multiple copies, use array block script that manipulates array data. On the screen, a button named Switch 1 and numeric displays that display the array from ton K0 to ton K49 are placed on the left side of the screen. In the same way, numeric displays that display the array from ton B0 to ton B49 are placed on the right side of the screen. Let's create a program that copies the array data of ton K to the array data of ton B when switch 1 is touched. Place a touch trigger block to run when the button is touched. Incorporate the array operation block there. Specify switch 1 as the touch trigger. Specify the array ton B as the copy destination of the array operation. Specify the array ton K as the copy source. If you check all in the array operation block, all elements of the array will be copied. In this case, specify only the array name without specifying the number of elements such as ton B0 and ton B1 in the array name. Also, in the case of the transfer source being an array, set it to copy to. All data in array ton K is now copied to all data in array ton B when switch 1 is touched. You can also use constant copy instead of array copy. For example, place a screen content status trigger block and incorporate array operation block there. And set ton B as the copy destination. Specify the integer 0 as the copy source. If the source is not an array, select set to. When the ton screen is displayed, the integer 0 is now automatically entered in the array ton B at once.